T4 surface area of spheres. So this is like if you buy a beach ball and you want to wrap it up for a present or something, then this is how much wrapping paper is going to take if you don't do any overlapping or, you know, yeah, it's hard to describe it, but yeah, that's what we are. So surface area of a sphere. So here's the formula. 4 pi r squared. That's all you need to know. So 4, we're going to use 3.14. The radius is 6, and we're going to square the 6. So 4 times 3.14 times 6 squared, 452.16 feet squared. Four pi r squared, 4 times 3.14 times 54 squared. It's going to be fairly large. 36,624.96 feet squared. And it's a word problem, but all you got to do is read. We have a sphere. It says surface area, so we know we're going to use 4 pi r squared. It gives us the radius of 54, which is what we just got finished doing. I did not do that on purpose, but I like it because we don't have to do the work again. Feet squared. That's it.